Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a little bit of garage work today. Um, Addie's got some speakers that she wants to put on her bike. We've had them for a little bit. We bought and paid for these. Actually, they was a present to her. But these are some Bluetooth speakers that we can, hopefully she can use pretty good. I don't know much about them. We got them off of Amazon. These is what we got. So we're going to install these today. And this ain't a how-to video. We're just going to do this as kind of a install and an upgrade. And this is probably the first upgrade she's actually done to this bike. I wasn't going to bore you with take the tank and seat and all that off, because if you're going to put these on a bike, it depends on the bike and how your tank and seat and everything comes off. So anyway, we're going to get to doing the install on this. We got that off of there. Alright, so now we got the backbone off of there. I think we can run the wire probably up through there. I'm assuming we'll have to get this unboxed and we'll kind of see what goes on. Alright, let's kind of get this unboxed and see what we have. How to use booklet. Looks like some hardware. One speaker. We need to get these from. What the speaker looks like. That's the size of my hand, so hopefully they do pretty good. I think it's going to be fairly easy install. Got some zip ties down the end. They spark really good. And motherboard. So anyway, that's what it is. Get it all laid out here. You can kind of see what it is. There's the speakers. They're chrome. So hopefully these will look pretty good on there. So we're going to looks like you got a USB port. Probably plug some music or something in. It's a universal. You can put it to about any bike, looks like. Different size bars, whichever want to take up the space in it. So it's a pretty neat little setup. So let's see if we can get these mounted on the bike. Alright, we're getting this speaker put on. Get some of the slack taken up, then I'll turn it up where it wants to be. Alright, I had to reposition it because they wasn't going to work down here. So we're going to put them up here by the inside of the fairing, which I think should get better sound out of them to be right there. Again, we don't know how loud these are going to be, but yeah, I think that's going to be a pretty good fit right there. These have got all kinds of adjustments. So anyway, we'll get the other side put on. Anyway, it's ECM you want to protect. Can't remember. So make sure you don't get no electrical shock or nothing. I put a crown roll bag over it. That way I know that I'm not going to touch it to anything I don't supposed to. Got that all tied in. Now I just got to do some zip tying. Get that all done. Get that zip tied in. Get the ECM put back in. So you can integrate these with your turn signal right here. But I'm opted. We're not going to do that on. She really don't want that done. So she wants just the speakers up there. So we're not going to integrate them. If she decides to do it, we'll do that later on. But we're getting ready to put power to these and try them out after we get everything kind of buttoned up here. All right, guys. We lost audio on this. My microphone went dead. So anyway, we're finishing this up. Got the speakers turned on. Make sure they all work before we button everything up. And so anyway, we're going to try this out and see how it goes. So anyway, if you like what we're doing on this channel, want to say subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification button, and we'll see you in the next video. Anyway, have the rubber side down and the shiny side up.